Assalamualaikum viewers, this is me Naila Tehim and I welcome you all to Javed Publishers. Today we are going to talk about Kids English Grade 2 chapter number 5 and the name is The Fisherman and His Wife. We will do the exercise of this chapter. Take out page number 36 of your textbook. Let's do the exercise. Question number 1, answer the following questions. And your question number 1 is, why was the fisherman thankful to Allah? And the answer is, the fisherman was always thankful to Allah Almighty for everything. Question number 2 is, what kind of fish did the fisherman catch? The answer, the fisherman caught a golden talking fish. Question number 3, what did the fish give to the fisherman and why? The answer is, the fish was impressed by the fisherman's generosity and gave him a big house and a lot of food for days. Your second last question is, why did the fisherman's wife get angry? The fisherman's wife got angry because she wanted a palace and a lot of money. And the last question is, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that we should be thankful for every blessing of Allah. Moving on to question number 2, choose the correct option for each statement. They have given you some sentences and some options. You have to find out that which option will be fitting in the sentence. The fisherman lived with his wife in a dash hut and your options are beautiful, small, big. So the fisherman lived with his wife in a small hut. The rest of the sentences I will read with the answers. His wife was a greedy woman who said, "Hurrah, this is my big day." So recall your chapter. Who said? Yes, exactly, the fisherman said. Your fourth sentence is, she said, "I want a palace. Go and ask the fish to give us more money." The last sentence is, the fisherman caught a dash talking fish. The fisherman caught a golden talking fish. Moving on to the next page, oral communication. Read the given 3 syllables, cite words with correct pronunciation. जी हाँ, यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ वर्ड दिए गए हैं. हर वर्ड इसमें से 3 syllables में डिवाइड है. इनकी करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या होगी? एक्टिवेट, activate. Second word is advocate, advocate. Third word is library, library. The fourth word is principal, the fourth word is principal. And the fifth word is radio, radio. And your last word is fantastic, fantastic. Initial same words. Read the given words aloud in the class. Remember the words have same beginning sound. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर आपको कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं. इन तमाम वर्ड्स की जो बिगिनिंग साउंड है वो सेम है. जैसे कि आई रीड द फर्स्ट 4 वर्ड्स फॉर यू. कैट, कैप, कॉल, कैंडी. ऑल वर्ड्स हैव द सेम इनिशियल साउंड. इसी तरह ये तमाम वर्ड्स आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द वर्ड विद द सेम बिगिनिंग साउंड. इसी तरह आपके पास कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, आपने सेम बिगिनिंग साउंड वाले वर्ड्स को मैच करना है. जैसे कि क्लॉक विल बी मैच्ड विद क्लैप, सन विल बी मैच्ड विद सन, फैट विल बी मैच्ड विद फिश. इनिशियल साउंड को फॉलो करना है आपने. एन एग विल बी मैच्ड विद एलिफेंट. स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. रीड द गिवन डायलॉग विद रिदम, स्ट्रेस एंड intonation. Ahmed helped the old lady with her shopping bag. We should be helpful to others. Okay, mother. Please let me carry your shopping bag to your house. Thank you, son. You are a very nice boy. Moving on to the next page. Language focus. Learning to spell. Choose the correct spelling from each row. आपके पास कुछ स्पेलिंग्स दिए गए हैं, एक वर्ड के डिफरेंट स्पेलिंग दिए गए हैं और ये वर्ड्स आपके चैप्टर में से लिए गए हैं. आपने बताना है कि किस वर्ड के क्या सही स्पेलिंग है. जैसे कि पहला वर्ड हमारे पास है ग्रीडी, उसके सही स्पेलिंग है GREEDY. सेकेंड वर्ड इज लकीली एंड द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स आर LUCKILY. थर्ड वर्ड इज फिशरमैन, FISHERMAN. and the last word is angry, ANGRY. Thanks for watching viewers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.